Cotton Wardrobe is being promoted as a minimalist fashion store selling breathable cotton clothing. But the real question is whether it's a genuine clothing brand or just another generic online shop. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Cotton clothing is a real, popular category, valued for comfort, breathability, and everyday wear. However, here's the key point. Cotton Wardrobe is not a well-established or widely verified brand, and that's where concerns start to appear. There are some positives. The store typically offers simple, clean designs, cotton-focused clothing, at least in description, affordable pricing. For casual wear, the styles may look appealing, but there are several red flags. First, weak brand presence. There's little independent information, reviews, or history about Cotton Wardrobe, which is unusual for a legitimate fashion brand. Second, generic product listings. Many items use basic descriptions and stock-style images, which are commonly seen in dropshipping stores. Third, quality uncertainty. Without verified reviews, there's a risk that materials may not be fully cotton, items may differ from photo sizing, and fit could be inconsistent. This is a common issue with similar online-only fashion sites. To put it into perspective, established brands offer clearer quality control, real customer feedback, and reliable returns, things Cotton Wardrobe lacks. So, is Cotton Wardrobe real or fake? It's likely a real store that sells products, but with low trust and unclear quality. The bottom line is this. Cotton Wardrobe shows multiple signs of a generic or dropshipping style fashion shop, not a trusted clothing brand. If you're expecting high-quality cotton pieces, it's safer to stick with established retailers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.